Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here at Half Moon Cay, and we got the clamshells. Now, used to when we come here to get the clamshells, they had them all the way down at the end of the beach. This time around, they don't. They have them right along here. I'll show you. Just got them right down along through here, all the way over that way, and then all the way over that way. And there'll be a lady that takes your ticket from you and sets everything up for you. Anyway, so yeah, that's unfortunate because I was kind of banking. We actually walked way over there, and just to find out they didn't have the clamshells over there, so had to walk way on back over here. Nice and sweaty. Wife's already in the. Let's see if I can film in on her. See, I can't see with the. There we go. Nope. There she is. Let's see if I get. There she is. She's way out there. Not the one in front. One looking at me. Wave. Anyway. I'm gonna go cool off. I'm hot and sweaty, and go cool off out there with her. I'll take the GoPro out. I did not remember to I can't do any underwater shots, so we'll have to be careful. Anyway, enough talking. I'm sweating. Get out there with her. So we're out here. There's a lot of jellyfish out here today, and so we've been out here watching for jellyfish, but the water feels really good. Hey, at least you can see them. That's a deal. You can see them. That's the reason why we're kind of more in the populated area, because usually, if you know us, we like to be way on down there, away from people. But anyway, our things right over there. Our clamshell's just like right there. So where's it at? Right over there? Okay. So yeah, we're jellyfish watching. It's pretty. It's really pretty out here. You don't get beaches like this in Texas. You just don't. Anyway. So I'm trying not to get the GoPro wet, because I left the little door thing that makes it waterproof, or whatever it's called. If I get it underwater, this thing's toast. But it is a GoPro 9, and I'd always buy a new one. It's time for an upgrade, but not today. They sell them on there for like 150 or 450 bucks on the ship. That's a little too much I want to spend. I think you can get them a lot cheaper at Best Buy or something. I think my 360 was that much. So anyway.
I think so, yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, I feel bad. You like that. Calm down. Calm
Fish. I don't know if I got it.